Robert Morris Women's Basketball welcomed over 700 students to the Sewell Center Wednesday morning as they took on Akron for Elementary School Day. The students were part of the largest regular season crowd in women's basketball history.
Is this better than being in school?
Yes.
Yeah? Is this better than being in school?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. Do you guys think this is better than being in school?
Yes.
You like this better?
The students had a chance to interact with RMU faculty and staff at many stations. The Academic Media Center, Admissions, School of Engineering, School of Nursing, Sports Management Department, and Campus Safety were among those represented.
So what do you think of the event today?
The event is great. We had no expectations, and we've exceeded all our expectations. The kids are loving it. Seems like we can't get any boys to sing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, but the girls are going crazy singing, so it was a good call.
So what do you think about the event today?
I think it's terrific. Biggest crowd they've probably ever had for a girls' game, certainly a regular season game. And when you consider it's 3 days before Christmas at 10 in the morning, it's pretty impressive.
So what do you think of the event today?
Great event. We've really been focusing a lot on teamwork in school, and this carries right over into everything that we work on. We're working on a positive attitude, making people feel good about themselves, which is tied to our anti-bullying program. And everything that the kids were involved with here today reflected what we work on every day in school. It's been a very positive experience.
And a guard at 5 feet 6 and junior out of the Bronx, New York. And a guard at 5'3" and junior out of Aurora, Illinois. And a forward at 6'2" sophomore out of Rhodes, Greece. And a forward at 5'10" sophomore, she's from Woodbridge, Virginia. And your colonial center, 6'2" senior, she's from London, England.
After the game, they lined up for autographs with the victorious Colonials.
No, I'm talking about. About this meeting for the PSC medal. So can I come see you after this? Coach Conley, I gotta go leave. I gotta hear. You giving it to me?
But my pictures here. Can I sign both? Can I sign both?
Fine. Only because you're not very excited with your joke, though, right? If you're not staying.
You call that bank?
No, I was trying to hit the rim.
That was a big
How
shot.
about the atmosphere here today, Charlie?
It was amazing. I think we should play at 10 a.m. every day at home and bring the kids every game. You know what I mean? I mean, they'll love it. The principals will love it. You know, nobody has to worry about them. Let them come here and scream for 3 hours and, you know, help us win ball games. It was great. I mean, the chant of RMU before the game, the rumbling of the seats, it was like the running of the bulls. I mean, it was unbelievable. I really
We're
would love
planning
to
on
see it
making
happen
this an
again.
annual event, so hopefully we see more students come next
We will
year.
definitely be back.